what you got there, Shayla?
That was loud.
What's up, everyone? On today's video, we actually start assembling the Project AMG E63.
We got some brand new parts from Mercedes.
Nice.
All the parts we couldn't get used OEM, so we just thought I just bought them from Mercedes. LED daytime running lights.
Oh, for the bumper.
For the bumpers.
Okay.
So we got 2 of those.
Yep.
Alright. And while working on the car last week, I broke the thermostat plastic, which is this hose. I broke this.
Where the hose connects to the thermostat. This right here, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
This one goes to the reservoir, so the coolant comes into here. And I broke that one, so I had to get a brand new one.
The AMG's thermostat is built into the whole housing.
Headlight washer cover.
Mm-hmm.
One of them were missing.
For the bumper?
For the bumper.
Yep.
Intake tube.
Yep.
And this goes on the oil cooler, so the oil cooler goes into here. And this bracket goes onto the radiator housing. So it supports it.
Cool.
Okay. What else do I have? And then I got one of the side vents as well. This one was missing too.
For
the bumper.
Okay.
Ambient temperature sensor.
Hmm.
That's about it, I guess. Yeah. Cool. Come over here, Ranju.
Yeah.
Come over here. So for that, the thermostat housing, it's right under here. And we probably have to move the power steering reservoir and the secondary air injection. This pipe, yeah, it comes right off. That's pretty nice. Yeah, so I have to figure out how we're gonna move this. I think I already unbolted it a little bit last time, but we have to figure it out without breaking it.
Yeah, please don't break another part. Yeah.
Okay. Do you hear it?
Yeah.
There's fluid in it, so we have to be careful.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
So now we can get to the thermostat, or is there another piece?
It's right here.
It's right there. Okay.
You guys see this is where the plastic was, and it was kind of broken. I thought you could just replace it, but you can't do that. You have to buy the whole thing. So let's get on with it.
Yeah. All right. What were those bolts?
So we need this size, and you see that big one right there. See if you have those 2 Torx in the big toolbox.
Okay, is that the only 2? Is there one on the bottom as well?
I think those are the.
There's one more, I think.
Yeah, but that's the same size as the top one.
Okay, so like a T20, T30, and like a 40.
Yeah.
All right. Torx.
Here you go. Old versus new. It's actually in pretty good shape. But this is where it's broken, right here. Yeah?
Yeah. Alright. Alright guys, so coolant reservoir, we got the new one, we got it off a used, we got this used off another AMG. So as you can tell, this one's broken, so no good.
Where was it broken?
Yeah, right here. You don't want to deal with this stuff under pressure. I don't know what the previous owner tried to do here, but I mean, here's broken too. So.
Yeah, it's a good idea just to get good parts on the car.
Yeah.
So how involved is it?
It's not that involved actually. We got a little mount in the back.
Okay.
Gotta take this metal clip off. This mount just goes right into the grommet. That should come right out. There's a plug at the bottom. This hose, obviously we're not going to take off the old one because it's provided with the new one. And then this regulator, whatever this does, needs to come off as well. So I'm going to start with that. Just take a flat head. Hopefully I don't break anything. There it is.
Is it already off?
It's off.
Damn, that was easy.
Yeah.
Pretty easy. Or you're just too good. I don't know which one.
Or I just got the easy part.
Yeah, he gives me the hard part, like the thermostat housing, then he does the easy part for himself.
Alright, after wrestling with the plug for a few minutes.
There's a plug right under there. I'm not sure if you could see it, but it's right here.
Finally got it.
Is it off?
Yeah, it's off.
Nice.
Now let's cut this hose out.
The hose is not connected to anything, so you could just pull it out. Yes.
Old versus new.
Yeah. It's literally exactly the same, just that small broken piece right here. And that's the old one.
Guys, all it is like a big, huge puzzle. Just find what's broken and replace it. That's it.
Exactly. And try not to spend the max amount of money. If there's used parts that are the same, just go ahead and buy it.
So we got the new AC condenser here. Shade is just about, yeah. Is it off?
Yeah, it is off.
Okay.
This is the old one, so as you could see, it's all
Almost done.
bent and everything. So
Yeah. No good.
you need to get a new one, and that's the new one.
So the new condenser gets mounted right to this plastic frame that's mounted to the back of the radiator.
Okay. Bring on the new one.
This is the top.
So that thing is gonna go under there, right?
Mm-hmm.
It's gonna work.
It's gonna work.
I think this is, you know how Mercedes have like, just like BMW half a year?
Yeah.
I think this is the model before, because the old E63s are like this. The AC condenser, the one we got, it turns out it's for like a 2008 to a 2010, which is the early model E63s. And these pieces don't apply to this car, so I'm gonna take it off, and I'm gonna take off this side as well, and then the AC condenser will be mounted to the plastic frame, and that's the original one from the car. From there you're gonna mount it to the radiator. A little bit professional.
Alright guys, so we got the condenser onto the bracket, or brace if you want to call it. Now it's ready to be attached to the radiator as well. So condenser, radiator, and then fan, and then we're ready to attach it to the car. Good?
Yep.
Okay.
Leave the fan on. Clutch up. Yep. Okay. That side. Alright guys, so this is the coolant that we got. This is basically same as Mercedes coolant, and it says Mercedes on on the label as well. It's concentrated coolant, so you have to mix it with distilled water. So this one is 1 gallon. You have to mix it with 1 gallon of water, and for that I already put 1 gallon of water, distilled water, in here. So I'm gonna add 1 gallon of the concentrated coolant, and then half gallon of coolant and another half gallon of distilled water, and that should finish it off. So let's see how that goes. Hey Ranch,
Hey.
what are you doing?
So the radiator fan shroud is not in its best shape. It's in working shape, but there's some tabs broken, so
Okay.
car guy's best friend.
Zip tie.
So this is just so it doesn't shake, because once the fan starts spinning, you can get to high speed, so you don't want anything to rattle. Hopefully these don't get too hot. It's on the plastic, so it should be fine.
Yeah. And there's a support that's gonna go
On top
of it.
Yeah.
So that's gonna skew more.
Radiator is on, fan is on, all the coolant lines are connected, reservoirs in, the new thermostat is in, lines are all connected in terms of the power for the fan. Next is to fill it up, let the system burp itself, and or we can do the headlights, is whatever you want to do first, but
Okay.
that's what's next on the list.
Did you connect the heat exchanger coolant line?
Heat exchanger coolant line, yes. Okay, right here.
Yeah, it's that one.
Yeah, so this is connected. Just gotta maybe tighten it a little bit more. Maybe put a clamp on here. But that is on.
Okay.
So when we run the car, we're gonna have the heat on full blast to let air escape that system too. And just let it run. This is gonna be the first time letting the car warm up. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we've only been turning it on, turning it off right away, which I'm sure is not good for it, but yeah.
Yeah.
So we'll see how she idles once all that's in. There's gonna be a ton of lights